Imagine a fuel that's invisible, shipped across oceans, stored at negative 162 Celsius inside the giant thermos-like tanks. It's called LNG, or liquefied natural gas. And today, it powers homes, factories, and entire nations. But is it a genius engineering solution to energy security, or just another trap in the fossil fuel maze? In 2022, LNG became a global energy lifeline. Germany built an LNG terminal in just 5 months, an engineering feat that normally takes 5 years. But the real question is, why now? And what does it mean for you, your wallet, and the climate? Let's start with the basic. Natural gas is mostly methane or CH4. Normally it's a gas, but when cooled to negative 162 Celsius, it condenses into a liquid that takes up 1/600th of a volume. That's where engineering gets fun. We use cryogenic heat exchangers like giant spiraling refrigerators to liquefy it. Then we load it onto special ships called MOSS tankers or membrane tankers. Now here's why the world's racing to buy it. Japan and Korea are shutting down nuclear plants and need backup energy. Europe lost Russian pipelines gas overnight. And developing nations want cleaner energy fast. LNG offers a portable, cleaner option. And it plays well with renewables. You can ramp up gas plant up and down in minutes. So, what's the catch? Building LNG infrastructure is an engineering marathon. Giant LNG tanks needs to withstand pressure differentials at cryogenic temperatures. Pipes need special alloy steels to avoid cracking. And you'd lose 10% of energy as boil of gas unless you recapture it. Plus, methane leakage is a real issue. It's 84 more times more potent than CO2 over 20 years. LNG seems cleaner than coal. And it is, on paper. So the real engineering challenge? Making every link in the chain from wellhead to regas terminal tight, sealed and monitored. That's where digital tech comes in. Sensors, drones, AI, leak detection, side-by-side missions. But here's why LNG is not going away. It's safety net for grid when wind and solar can't deliver. It's energy security. You can buy it on the global market, not dependent on a pipeline labor. And for growing nations, it's the fastest way to power cities, industries, and GDP growth. So, can we make LNG greener? Some companies are working on carbon neutral LNG, either by capturing CO2 or offsetting emissions. Others are blending it with green hydrogen or using renewable power to chill the gas. The engineering is brilliant. The economics are tricky. Like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns at intersection of energy, engineering, and the future. I'm Yazid, and this is the World of Energy Explained.